Little darling, we will learn the names of different sea animals. Manta ray. This is a manta ray. Puffer fish. This is a puffer fish. Eel. This is a eel. Codfish. This is a codfish. Herring fish. This is a herring fish. Sardine. This is a sardine. Flounder. This is a flounder. Cockle. This is a cockle. Mud skipper. This is a mud skipper. Coral. This is a polyp. Sea urchin. This is a sea urchin. Spider crab. This is a spider crab. Penguin. This is a penguin. Pelican. This is a pelican. Swordfish. This is a swordfish. Barracuda. This is a barracuda. Manatee. This is a manatee. Porpoise. This is a porpoise.